Self-care is an essential aspect of maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. It helps reduce stress, promote relaxation, and enhance overall well-being. Here are some tips on how to create a relaxing self-care routine. Practicing self-care isn't selfish, but rather a way of knowing your worth and taking time to make sure you are at your best. But not taking care of yourself can result in stressful relationships, poor work performance, anxiety, negativity, fatigue, and an inability to care for loved ones such as children or aging parents. When it comes to creating a self-care routine, intention is important. Don't just do something to say you've done it. Be conscious about why you are doing it, and slow down for a moment to let the effects sink in. Take care of your body. This first self-care practice may seem like a no-brainer, but taking care of your body is the first, and therefore most important, step in self-care. Getting adequate sleep, drinking enough water, more on that below, exercising, and eating healthy are all vital to taking care of you. Change your attitude towards these essential self-care practices and you'll start to see them as activities of self-love rather than burdens that you don't have time for. If you're not getting enough sleep, start small by going to bed 15 minutes earlier each night. Eventually work your way up to 30 or even 60 minutes earlier. It will make a big difference in how you feel upon waking up. Commit to eating healthy and exercising regularly, but remember, this doesn't mean you have to eat only raw broccoli or do something you don't love for exercise. When it comes to self-care practices, it's crucial to find what works for you so that you're motivated to keep doing it. Limit your time on electronic devices. Give yourself 30 minutes to wake up in the morning before grabbing your phone to check emails, texts, or social media. Likewise, put your phone or other electronics away for 1 hour before bedtime to help you fall asleep faster and with more peace. Set your phone to Do Not Disturb or airplane mode overnight to help you get uninterrupted sleep. Shake up your water consumption. Hydration is an easy addition to any self-care routine. Health experts recommend staying hydrated throughout the day. An easy rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in ounces, so if you weigh 160 pounds, drink 80 fluid ounces. Laugh out loud. It's said that laughter heals the soul, and it's essential for daily self-care as well. Take time to laugh every day, hopefully to the point where you get belly stitches and must catch your breath. Diffuse essential oils. Aromatherapy doesn't have the word therapy in it for nothing. Diffusing essential oils in your home or workspace can help you find a moment of calm and grounding. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to your diffuser. Popular essential oils for diffusing include lavender, ylang-ylang, wild orange, rosemary, peppermint, basil, and cinnamon. Sing or dance, or both. You can sing an old favorite song or a new popular hit. It doesn't matter if you have a great singing voice or if you sound like a howling coyote. Crank up the volume and let it out. Not a fan of singing? Dancing can give you the same self-care benefits. Dance like no one is watching and feel the rush of endorphins flood through your body. Movement is medicine, and dance can be a fun and transformative self-care practice. Detox from social media and news. 1 weekend a month, challenge yourself to take a break from all social media and news. Turn off your notifications or even temporarily uninstall the apps if you can't resist the urge to use them. While detoxing, notice how often you reach for your phone on autopilot and use the opportunity to focus on yourself instead. If you notice a positive shift in your mindset from doing this, consider adding this detox as a more frequent part of your self-care routine. Get a massage. Nothing quite says self-care like getting a massage. Massages help to relieve stress, reduce pain, ease muscle tension, and are great for overall well-being. Watch a sunrise or sunset. It's almost impossible to watch the beauty of a sunrise or sunset and not come away feeling rejuvenated. Plan ahead to make sure you have a nice view, and spend some time enjoying Mother Nature at her best. Just watch the sun arrive or depart. Don't photograph it or post about it on social media. Enjoy the majesty of the moment and feel alive. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help you create a relaxing self-care routine that promotes balance and supports a healthy lifestyle. Remember, self-care is not selfish, but rather an essential aspect of maintaining good physical and mental health.